In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a listing on Facebook Marketplace. If you want to remove one of your marketplace items from your active selling list without deleting it completely, archiving is a simple and useful option. This is especially helpful if you want to pause a listing for a while or if the item is no longer available, but you still want to keep a record of it for later. Let's walk through the process clearly and step by step. First, go to your Facebook dashboard and open Marketplace. Once you're logged in, look for the Marketplace icon and click on it. After that, find the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In that menu, select your listings. On some versions of Facebook, this section may also appear as selling, so don't worry if the wording looks slightly different. Both options will take you to the area where you manage the items you've posted for sale. Once you're in your listing section, take a moment to find the specific item you want to remove from your active listings. This is a good time to double-check that you've selected the correct item, especially if you have multiple similar products posted. When you locate the listing, look for the three dots icon next to it. This icon opens a menu of additional actions you can take for that listing. Click the three dots, and from the drop-down menu, choose Archive Listing. As soon as you do that, the item will be moved out of your active selling list. This means other people won't see it as an active listing in the same way, but it also won't be permanently deleted from your account. That's what makes archiving so useful. It gives you a flexible way to manage your inventory without losing the details of the listing. For example, if you've decided to take a break from selling the item, archiving keeps things organized. It's also a great option if the item was sold somewhere else and you want to keep the record for your own tracking. Instead of creating the listing again from scratch later, you can simply leave it archived and return to it if needed. Another advantage is that archiving is not final. If you change your mind later and want to make the item available again, you can unarchive it and bring it back to your active listings. And that's all it takes to archive a listing on Facebook Marketplace. It's quick, practical, and a great way to keep your selling dashboard clean and organized.